This is exactly how to create a new advertising account on Facebook. So first of all, you log into the ad manager. Then you come to the left-hand corner, you see all tools. Then you go to business settings. So after you open to business settings, if you already have a business manager, you will be asked to select one. If you don't have, you have to click on create and then you create a business manager. You can check the link above. I've done a video on how to create a business manager. So I am selecting a business manager because I already have one. So now after you open a business manager, you click on add account. So you click on the add account, then you click on create new ad account. You put the name of the ad account. Then you choose your time zone. And the currency. Then you click next. Then you choose this, my business. Then you click on create. Then you select your name and turn all these on and click on assign. It is done. So you can click on close or add payment info. Then open an ad manager. You can create an advert from this. Yeah, this is how to, if you follow this one, you'll be able to create. If you follow it and you are not able to create an ad account of your own, please leave your comments in the comment section. I will follow up to help you be able to do that. You can also follow the WhatsApp and Telegram link in the description of this video to contact us, and then we help you. Lastly, we also run effective ad campaigns for businesses. If you want your business to run effectively, make more sales and get more customers, you can contact us. We'll be able to run an effective ad campaign for you, and we charge to do that. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.